Hello and welcome to your favorite retail podcast, Tales of Retail, brought to you by AIRG, All India Retail Group, which is India's largest professional retail organization. We bring to you the most exciting news in the world of retail from every corner of the country in our Tales of Retail. This week is buzzing with all types of activity going on in most sectors. So let's get started. I will start with AIRG. So AIRG, which is All India Retail Group, signed a partnership agreement with the District Skills Committee East Delhi for training and placement of youth. All India Retail Group has joined hands with the District Committee for training, development and employment of youth. This partnership aims to empower and equip the youth for the retail community with essential skills and knowledge necessary for their personal and professional growth. Everstone is negotiating the sale of a 41% share in a Burger King franchise in India. Private equity firm Everstone Capital is in talks to sell its roughly 48% stake in Restaurant Brands Asia Limited, the master franchisee of Burger King in India and Indonesia. ITC profit increased by 22.6% to Rs 5225 crore in the fourth quarter or FY23, while FMCG segment revenue increased by 15% to Rs 13,033 crore. Profit at Pizza Hut and KFC operator Devyani International fell by 21.2% in the fourth quarter of financial year 2023. Quick service restaurant chain operator Devyani International Limited on Wednesday has reported a 21.2% drop in consolidated net profit or Rs 559.8 crore for the fourth quarter ending on March 21st, 2023. Swiggy's meal delivery service is now profitable, founder and CEO Shirisha Majety said. Our focus on innovation coupled with strong execution has led to yet another milestone. As of March 2023, Swiggy's food delivery business has turned profitable. Trident Group purchased its Shipra Mall in Ghaziabad through an auction for Rs 551 crore. They acquired through an auction process, its CEO Pavardhan Singh said on Friday. Trident Group, which is developing projects in Delhi NCR, Mumbai and Tri-City Panchkula, has forayed into retail real estate segment with the acquisition of Shipra Mall at Indapuram in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. The size of the mall is 4.5 lakh square feet. Zomato makes 3 significant hires and promote Rakesh Ranjan to CEO of meal delivery. Food and grocery delivery platform has made 3 key appointments, elevating Rakesh Ranjan and Rinshul Chandra as Chief Executive Officer and Chief Operating Officer for food ordering and delivery vertical respectively, the company said in a regulatory filing. Packaged food accounts for a sizable portion of Q4 revenues. Packaged food as a category has emerged as an outlier in the domestic fast-moving consumer goods FMCG market, contributing to the strong sales performance of the segment players in the March quarter or FY23. Firms like Nestle India, Britannia, Marico and ITC, for instance, have all reported double-digit growth 13 to 21% in the food segment in Q4. These firms have also lined up big plans for the segment ahead of their non-food peers. Walmart is considering buying shoes, bicycles and toys from India. US-based retail giant Walmart is looking to source toys, shoes and bicycles from India suppliers as the company is targeting to increase its export from India to USD 10 billion annually by 2027. The company also wants to develop new suppliers in categories such as food, pharmaceuticals, consumables, health and wellness, and apparel and home textiles, a company spokesperson told PTI. PVR INOX declining attendance reflects Bollywood's declining fortunes. Recent earnings of the newly merged PVR INOX entity showed a 16% drop in ticket sales in the last financial year compared to the pre-COVID year of FY20, along with a 20% dip in occupancy. Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail reports a net loss of Rs 194.54 crore for the fourth quarter. In quarter 4 of financial year 2023, Spencer's Retail's standalone net loss increased to 48 crore. Spencer's Retail, a part of RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, has been standalone net loss widening to Rs 48 crore for the quarter ended on March 31st, 2023, as against a net loss of Rs 28 crore same period last year. Zomato reports that following the RBI's pronouncement, 72% of cash on delivery orders have been paid for with Rs 2000 note. Nearly 3/4 of Zomato's users opting for cash on delivery have been paying with Rs 2000 notes since Friday, when the central bank announced the withdrawal of the currency note, the food and grocery platform said on Monday. Reliance JioMart fires 1,000 with a large round of layoffs expected. After starting a distribution price war last year, Reliance Industries' online wholesale format JioMart has laid off more than 1,000 employees as it aligns its operations with the recently acquired Metro Cash and Carry. Good Glam backed Sirona Hygiene acquires sexual wellness brand Blue in all-cash deal. This is the second all-cash acquisition deal for Good Glam Group backed Sirona Hygiene in a year after it acquired self-defense brand Empower in 2022. Sirona sells female hygiene products including menstrual pain relief patches, period stains remover, etc. Reliance Industries reduces redundancy and softens hiring in retail and telecom. Reliance Industries Limited is rolling out a cost efficiency drive across its units Reliance Retail and Reliance Jio Infocom, reducing hiring, reviewing compensation benchmarks, and firing underperformers, multiple executives from the company and the wide industry said. Reliance Retail issues pink slips to about 700 employees, many more on the watch list, sources. Reliance Retail has retrenched more than 700 people from its business-to-business vertical JioMart industry, sources said. Nykaa reports a close to 50% increase in quarter 4 pre-tax earnings due to better margins. Tim Hortons will increase its footprint in India. Canadian coffee brand Tim Hortons, which debuted in the country in August 2022, plans to expand its presence in the country. The company's India franchisee introduced its presence in Mumbai by launching 2 coffee shops in the western suburbs on Thursday. Former MCD partner supports burger chain. Former McDonald's India partner Vikram Bakshi has invested in New Delhi-based gourmet burger chain AKU's, the burger company, via his family office. Malls are concerned about declining multiplex attendance. Shopping mall operators are concerned over faltering revenues from cinemas, with some even considering reducing space allocated to theatres in their upcoming projects. And last, Tata Consumer will increase its footprint in southern India. Tata Consumer Products is expanding its presence in the southern markets and focusing on building distribution channels in rural and semi-urban markets now, the company said in its latest annual report. We are expanding our presence in South India across tea, coffee, salt and spices with the launch of South-specific products to cater to regional consumers, said TCPL. This sums up yet another exciting week in the world of retail. If you enjoyed this summary, please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. Please also remember your comments matters to us. Feel free to share your thoughts and also know you can find more information about us on www.retale.com. That's all from my side. Have a great day ahead.